Ilu maka okwute na ite mmiri. A proverb about stones and water pots. In this lesson, we're going to learn a proverb that has to do with stones and water pots. Ilu maka okwute na ite mmiri. A proverb about stones and water pots. And this is a kind of Igbo version of the "if you live in a glass house, don't throw stones," the English saying. And so the key words, 6 key words we'll learn from this proverb and its explanation are: Itu, throw. Itu okwute, to throw a stone. Tụọ okwute ebe ahụ. Throw a stone to that place. Itu, throw, to throw. Okwute, stone. Okwute, stone. Okwute a buru ibu. This stone is big. Ụgbọala m rịrị okwute elu. My car climbed on top of a stone. Okwute, stone. Dosara, kept. Dosara, kept. Idosa is to keep something, but it's usually used for either a heavy or a bulky item. So idosa here is to keep something in a place, and is usually used for, like I said before, a heavy or bulky item. Odosara ite eba. She kept the pot here. Dosara mia eba ahu. Keep it for me over there. Dosara, kept. Dosara, kept. Tule is to consider something or to contemplate or ponder over something. Tule. Kai tule okwa. Let's think about this, or let's ponder over this matter. Tule, contemplate or ponder. Tupu, before. Ogom can be used in 3 different ways. It can be used as an adverse effect, as a flaw, or accident. Also used in accident. Ogom. And now for the proverb. The proverb goes like this: Mmadụ anaghị atụ okwute ebe ọ dọsara ite mmiri. Mmadụ anaghị atụ okwute ebe ọ dọsara ite mmiri. Mmadụ anaghị atụ okwute ebe ọ dọsara ite mmiri. People don't throw stones where they kept a water pot. Now, one explanation for this proverb is: Tụlee ihe ị ga-eme tupu oge eruo, maka na o nwere ike ịbụrụ gị ọghọm. Contemplate what you will do beforehand, because it may have an adverse effect on you. And so the sense in this proverb is to consider and make sure that what you're about to do will not come back and bite you. Tụlee ihe ị ga-eme tupu oge eruo, maka na o nwere ike ịbụrụ gị ọghọm. Tụlee ihe ị ga-eme tupu oge eruo, maka na o nwere ike ịbụrụ gị ọghọm. And now for the proverb again. Mmadụ anaghị atụ okwute ebe ọ dọsara ite mmiri. Mmadụ anaghị atụ okwute ebe ọ dọsara ite mmiri. People don't throw stones where they kept a water pot. So another figure of speech from English language that comes to mind is, apart from the one I said before, if you live in a glass house, don't throw stones. Another one is cutting your nose to spite your face, because if you're cutting your nose, you're invariably hurting yourself or, dealing with yourself. So the whole essence of this proverb is to think so that what you're about to do doesn't affect you in a bad way or doesn't come back to affect you. And the words we've learnt again in this proverb and the explanation are etu, throw, to throw. Okwute, stone. Dosara, kept. To lay, contemplate, consider or ponder over something. Tupu, before. Orom, adverse effect, flaw or accident. Always remember that practice makes perfect and that each effort you make brings you closer to your Igbo language and culture learning goals. Komesia, see you on the next lesson.